So we have been doing a lot of work in our kitchen, and we just renovated a small little area in our kitchen that we turned into our own coffee nook.
Coffee Nook Station.
Coffee Nook Station.
I like to call it the Coffee Nook Station.
Coffee Nook Station. And we are enjoying it.
Yes.
And looks like our audience
Really enjoys it.
are really enjoying it as well.
They love the decor.
And because they love it so much, we wanted to do. Should we wait to tell them, or
let's talk a little bit more about it. What's this station? This coffee nook was a DIY project. It's something we created. We put the entire thing together. It was our brainchild. She had some ideas. I had some ideas. We put it together and came up with a very, very nice, presentable coffee station. The cabinetry look.
Well, really how it happened was we had that small little awkward space, and we were like, man, what should we do here?
Mm-hmm.
And we wanted something that was going to tie into the entire kitchen, because it was so awkward, but we wanted it to sink in together, and we wanted it to look like it fit like one home. But what we didn't know was that it was going to give us like an even bigger kitchen like vibe.
Yeah. It filled the space.
And it filled the space up perfectly and well. But not only did it do that, it filled our space up with purpose, because we build with purpose, we build with love, we build with clarity. And so over time, we were very purposeful and intentional about this space, and we started putting the elements together. Now, one thing that was a little bit wonky was that, what we both was trying to agree on, was the cabinet, the kitchen coffee cabinet.
Oh.
And I kind of just wanted to go and buy it from the store.
Yeah.
And my husband here wanted to build it.
It was like $500.
Well, we were gonna I told him that my budget was like $200. And so we went shopping and we looked around at many stores. We even went to thrift stores to look for it. And even the first idea was to find a desk, tabletop, or something that we could repurpose. Something that we could repurpose and redesign. And he really wanted to do that.
Yep.
And so we love to transform our spaces, but we're loving to do it with a purpose. And when we decided to build the cabinet, the coffee table cabinet, I mean, more so you.
Yeah. I wanted to build it bad.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to build it bad.
Yeah.
I saw that happen.
He definitely saw it happen and put a lot of the elements together. I think
it came together when we decided to do it.
Yeah, it came together so fast. I was just going to say that.
Dang, let's make it flow with the rest of the kitchen, but also let's make it its own space.
Yeah.
And it did that.
It came together, and when it came together fast, and we finished it in about a day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And you guys loved it when we posted it. After we were done, filming and putting the pieces together, we posted it, and you guys loved the video.
Yeah, we got a lot of great feedback.
We got a lot of great feedback. We got a lot of comments.
People had some tips for us.
People had some tips for us.
Suggestions.
Now, when we posted it, remind you, we were not done with it. We weren't done with it. But I'm glad we posted it when we weren't done with it, because you guys gave us so many more ideas. I mean, it really helped.
And we still getting more ideas.
We're still getting.
We pretty much got it set, but we're still getting more and more ideas. We should build another one.
Well, we should build another one, or I would love to see you guys build one for yourselves. We would love to see where the inspiration lies. We would love to see what you guys come up with. And with that, we are gonna have a giveaway. We're gonna have a giveaway. It's so exciting to see that people enjoy doing what they love in a space they love to do it at. I think coffee bar experience at home is like one of the most intimate experiences you can have in your space.
Especially that nice warm cup of joe in the morning.
Yeah, because sometimes we love to go out. Yes, sometimes we love to go out to get a cup of coffee, and we have one of our favorite spots as well. But we also like to take it in sometimes and get intimate with the coffee vibes. So we're doing a giveaway, and we want to also see your coffee vibes and what you bring your space out into. So
with that being
what do we have back there?
We got one of the most trending, popular brands on the market right now. People are running the grab, and this is the Nespresso. Read it.
Okay, so we have this nice, beautiful coffee maker, new in the box. It's Nespresso, and we are giving this away to the winner for this challenge.
Yes.
So there are going to be guidelines to get into the challenge, to be qualified for the challenge once you enter the challenge. All the details will be in our website, matter of fact. So we're giving this away to one of our lucky winners, and we may have another prize coming soon. So stay tuned for that. But again, all of the challenge details are in the website, and or in the link in the description, and you can just click on there.
You can join our coffee club. Let us see your personality transform through your coffee nooks.
We are excited to see this challenge come alive and give away this Nespresso coffee maker.
Or can I keep it?
Say again?
Can I keep it?
No. All right, so we'll see you on the other side of that challenge.
Hopefully this could be yours.
We'll see you in the next video.
We'll see you in the next video.